Alright, so it's Monday afternoon. Class was class today. Really cool senior project pitches today. Like every senior design project that was pitched today was like really good, so I think what I'm gonna do is gonna come from today, but I won't know what I'm actually working on for like another 2 weeks. I'm thinking it's probably gonna come from today because today had really good ideas. I guess there's not really a point in me talking about like all the pitches just because the only one that's really going to matter is the one that I end up assigned to. I'll probably just talk about that more like once I've actually been assigned to a project, which will be, I think you said we'll be assigned to our projects February 1st. I think we figured out what we're going to be doing for our software development project. My friend Jake is finalizing his proof of concept. He seems pretty confident in it, so I'm really hoping it works out because it sounds like a really cool project. But again, I'll talk more about that once it's like finalized. But for right now, I got some Chick-fil-A and now I'm going to the RWC. I think I've got like 2 hours before the meeting starts. All right, so the meeting's about to start and we have to go print out some stuff because Melanie forgot to.
Oh, shut up.
Melissa forgot her ID. They're treating her like a villain. Yeah, 100 should do. Looks good to me.
Now to sit here and wait.
This is gonna take forever. Again, I blame Melanie. She didn't do this ahead of time. I think that was a productive meeting. Lauren, what do you think?
Definitely, and it only took an hour. Except it was only 55 minutes because we started late.
It's not my fault. It's
Let's wait for the people.
I told Andy he's allowed to start whenever he wanted, and he decided to wait. It was not my executive decision.
Okay. Oh, ready for Lazy Moon?
I'm so ready for Lazy Moon. I'm ready for Lazy Moon. I'm ready for pizza. I gotta remember where I parked my car now. Oh, I'm on the roof.
Why?
Because
there was a bunch of parking spots.
One when I got money.
Can I get in your vlog?
Yeah, you can get in the vlog.
Hi.
I distracted her just like a little bit too much. All right, now time for Lazy Moon. Holy crap. It's already Friday and I haven't filmed, well, at all this week. Like, I can't even blame it on I forgot. I just genuinely, every time I thought about it, just kept not pulling my camera out, so that's totally on me. My bad. But anyway, I'm on campus right now because I have to go meet up with, well, I'm only meeting up with half of my project group for software development, and we're talking to the TA and we're finalizing exactly what our project is. So once I'm out of this meeting, I'll exactly describe what our project is. All right, so that went pretty well. The TA thought our idea was going to be too simple, but after about 10 minutes of discussing and him adding on a couple extra things we had to do, he was more accepting of the idea. So our project idea for software development is finalized. Now we just have about 12 weeks to actually make it. So essentially what we're going to develop is going to be a mobile web application in which users can scan the barcode of beers they're drinking and then review, rate, and get recommendations on other drinks that they would like, well, that they'd like to drink. But now I have to run home and actually type all this up and then send it off to the rest of my group members because only half of the group could actually make it out to the meeting with our TA. So now I actually have to go home and actually, type up all this stuff that I just learned. So I've done a terrible job at vlogging this week as much as I thought I was going to. Like, it's Monday now, and this video was supposed to be posted yesterday, and I'm filming it and editing it and hopefully posting it all tonight. Man, I really need to get my shit together. Honestly, I was planning on filming yesterday and getting to edit and post it last night, but when I went out to go to the thing that I was planning on filming, I immediately left my house and realized that my camera was dead. And to top it all off, I can't really film much right now because I have to edit this and post it really quickly because I have a lot of work I have to get done by the end of tonight. So apologies for a really scattered video. I know I planned on filming like a lot this week and only ended up filming like 2 or 3 days. But yeah, totally my bad. I dropped the ball this week. But hopefully I'll get back on it better next week. Since I can't talk about it much right now, next week is going to have a decent amount of like cool stuff packed into it because I'll be able to finally talk about what my software development project is. Our senior design projects are going to be assigned on Wednesday. Oh yeah, and I just started watching Westworld, so I've watched 7 episodes in the past 3 days. So that means by the end of this week, I will definitely be done with the first season. So I'll be able to talk about that also next week. So yeah, I'll have a lot to talk about next week, and man, I really got to get to work right now. But I will see you all next week. Peace.